and hearing some such good signals on 1512, and I see Victor Papa 8 Lima for part in the Falklands is working on 12 at the moment, which is a very easy path from here, and it'd be nice to see those opening up on 10 as well back here.
That's Mike Whiskey 0 Tango Delta Zulu. Man, he was hitting about 5 dB over 9 at one point on 15 meters, and that's with a 40 meter dipole. Man, conditions are getting good, guys. 73. Check it out, guys. Blitzy doesn't understand that when I make a video, that I change. I become Blowzo. Man, I was having a good morning listening to 15 meters, opening a little mail. Man, now I'm pissed. Look at this shit. Look at that stack of paper. Am I a tree hugger? Yeah, a little bit. I'm a boomer. I grew up in the 70s, man. I care about the trees. Have I hugged one? Maybe a couple times. What are you going to do? Look at this shit. So I'm going, do I want AAA? Nah. My truck's dead. I can't go anywhere. I'm a prisoner of my farm. Kind of like living in Apple's walled garden. Now, guys, thanks for stopping by the landfill. And I'm sorry about the verbal effluent that I discharge into the YouTubes. Look at this shit. I opened this junk mail, desperately searching for some engineering paper. And what do I find? One effing piece. Right? Now, it's a nice piece of paper. I can design something on that. Right? Look at this shit. They've even ruined the obverse of the envelope. Now, hang on. Effluent. Liquid waste or sewage discharged into a river or sea. Yeah, hang on. Effluent. Verbal nonsense and occasional cussing by Blowzo. Thanks for watching today's bags of recyclables.